We are now going to solve a CSIR NET June 2011 problem on quantum mechanics. The wave function of a particle is given by psi, which is 1 by root 2 phi naught plus I phi 1, where phi naught and phi 1 are the normalized eigenfunctions with energies E naught and E1 corresponding to the ground state and the first excited state respectively. The expectation value of the Hamiltonian in the state psi is. In this problem, we have to find the expectation value of the operator Hamiltonian H. Okay, and the expectation value of any operator is given by the wave function, the operator, again the wave function divided by bracket of the wave function. Okay, now our wave function is 1 by root 2 phi naught plus I phi 1. So in the question it is given that phi naught and phi 1 are normalized. What does that mean? That means phi naught, bracket notation of phi naught will be 1, bracket notation of phi 1 will be 1, and bracket notation of phi 1 will be equal to 0. And it has also been given that the eigenvalue of phi naught is E naught and the eigenvalue of phi 1 is E1. That means Hamiltonian operator operating on ket phi naught, your wave function phi naught, will give us the eigenvalue E naught and again the wave function phi naught, wave function or wave vector. Similarly, for H hat phi 1, we will get E1 phi 1. This has been given in the question. Now, if our wave function psi, here it is given that phi naught and phi 1 are normalized, so we got these things. Now, if our wave function psi is normalized, then we will get psi equal to 1. Only when our wave function psi is normalized. But here it is not normalized. So we'll have to find the value of psi. What will be psi? This is bra psi, that will be 1 by root 2 phi naught minus I phi 1. And then ket psi, that will be same thing, 1 by root 2 phi naught plus I phi 1. Solve this. What will get? Phi naught and phi naught will get 1, right? So we'll have here 1 by 2 phi naught. Phi naught into phi 1, again this bracket notation phi naught phi 1 will be 0. Phi 1 phi naught will be 0. Phi 1 will be 1. So we'll have minus I squared phi 1. So that is 1 by 2, I square is minus 1, minus plus 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So this will be equal to 3 by 2. So our answer psi comes out to be 3 by 2. Now we have to find psi H psi. So now what is this? Psi H psi. This is bra psi, that will be 1 by root 2 phi naught minus I phi 1. Okay. Then the operator H hat. Then ket psi, that will be 1 by root 2 phi naught plus I phi 1. Now again, phi naught will be 1, phi 1 will be 1, phi naught into phi 1 will be 0, phi 1 into phi naught will be 0. So I'll have here 1 by 2 outside, I'll have here phi naught, operator phi naught, and I'll have here minus I squared outside, phi 1, operator phi 1. Now 1 by 2 phi naught, what is this? Operator H operating on phi naught is E naught phi naught. So this will be E naught phi naught minus I squared will be plus 1. Phi 1, operator operating on phi 1 will be E1 phi 1. Hamiltonian operating on phi 1 is E1 phi 1. So this is 1 by 2. This is constant term, it will come out. It is just an eigenvalue. E naught, we'll have here phi naught remains, plus here E1 will come outside and we'll have here phi 1 remains. Phi naught is 1, phi 1 is 1. We'll have here 1 by 2 E naught plus E1. Let's divide these two and get the expectation value of the Hamiltonian H. That is 1 by 2 E naught plus E1 divided by 3 by 2. That will be E naught plus 2 E1 divided by 3. That is our answer, fourth one.